In this tutorial, we will be covering the topic of when a piece of equipment undergoes a planned out-of-service event. In this scenario, we'll be creating an event for the blue pool allocated tank where it will be out of service for a period of time in the middle of the simulation. So first, let's go to our configuration and move to our scheduled events menu, where we can create a planned out of service folder, which is just a folder that we will store our scheduled events in. So you can see that I've scheduled an event called blue tank out of service, applying it to the blue tank, where I fixed the new rate to 0 barrels per hour. The event duration and frequency are going to be 0 because I've set up a time constraint where the blue tank will have a fixed rate of 0 barrels per hour traveling through it between the dates of October 3rd, 2019 at midnight and October 7th, 2019 at midnight. Now let's see this configuration in action in the standalone engine. So as you can see, our commodities are flowing through the supply chain as expected. But we have our scheduled event for October 3rd, 2019 for the blue tank to be out of service. So what we're going to see in our waitlist for route, if we expand this window, is all the nominations that are waiting to be put into the system. Now at midnight, right about now, we'll see that the blue tank is being scheduled to be put out of service. Yet we still have some remaining volume left in that tank, and it needs to be empty before we can put that tank out of service. So what SimOpti is trying to do is make a tank-to-tank pool switch, where the blue tank will take its remaining volume of 302 cubic meters and transfer it to floater tank number 1 since it's of the same allocated pool. So once I click resume, we'll see the blue tank transfer that volume to the floater tank at its next availability. So right before 4 a.m. on October 3rd, the blue tank is finally able to transfer that remaining volume to the floater tank, noted by the black color, and now we can see that the blue tank is out of service, marked by the lime green color beside its name. So now I'll hit the resume button, and our operations will continue as normal, and our blue tank will be operational again on October 7th, 2019. So let's go ahead and speed up the simulation. And there we go. October 7th, 2019, and our blue tank is now active, noted by the dark green dot beside the blue tank name.